Hi, this is my review for the Atari 2600 Centipede board game. It's for anybody that's an Atari fan. If you played the Centipede, the old school arcade game, and it was also on the Atari. It's pretty fun to have. The artwork is very, very nice, shiny, so it's pretty cool. That gives you the players and how long it takes to play, the age. It's the inside of the box. And let me show you the back of the box so you can get a better idea of what it looks like. So that's how the board game would look. It's pretty cool, and it gives you a little bit of information of what everything that comes in the game, and a little bit of like the background of the game, how to play it a little bit. So let me show you the inside of what is in here. Make a mess. Okay, so this is the manual on how to play the game. Okay, honestly, I have not played it, so I couldn't go over it with you, but I did want to show you at least what it looks like so you get an idea of what you're going to get. That's the Centipede cards, and that's moving the centipede. That shows you the mechanics of the board game. Okay, so that's that. Also comes with this board here. Okay, also comes with the cards, the dice. Okay, you can see that there. It's another little part of the game. And these are the pieces, the centipedes and all that. So they come in this little bag. Also come with these little stickers and this little pin, which looks pretty cool, very old school. So I really like this pin. So yeah, so that's basically what comes in the game. So if you're interested, check it out, and hope you enjoyed the review.